So all this right here is the pieces of my Spiderman helmet. I had to remake some of them that didn't really turn out too well, as you see the sides. So I'm gonna have to weld all this together because with a smaller resin printer, you can't print literally solid objects. So I had to split all these into different pieces. And also, I have two pieces that aren't right here. They go to the eyes. They are still hardening right now. They are still curing at the moment, so I'm gonna let them cure for a few minutes. So this thing took me so long just to weld together. Hopefully that's in frame, but what's even worse, it barely even fits. I welded this to the other wrong, the top of it. It's not wide enough, it's kind of sunk in, but I'll just go with it. And I got the back, which was a pain in the butt too, but I ain't completely bondoed it, so hopefully it'll work. Now I guess just to spray it, prime it first. So I realized it wasn't in frame, but there you go. It on my face. I guess I'm just gonna go ahead and prime it. I don't have all the pieces together, but it's okay. Let's say here's a better shot, but I don't think the light's doing it justice. Gonna go ahead and spray the eye mesh. Both sides. Probably just one coat for that. Let that side dry, coat it more, flip it over, spray. And also these do have magnets on the back, but none of the magnets I use actually fits it, which is very aggravating, because now I gotta find the right size. And let's not forget the back. Golly. I'm just gonna leave that right there, because you ain't gonna see it anyways, so. It's actually gonna look kind of pretty whenever it's done. I don't mean prime, I mean sprayed. And no, I'm not using a face mask for this because it's blowing that way. And I'm right here, so I'm behind the camera. I don't have to worry about it. Go ahead and get these sprayed. Got new cans. Heck yeah. Move all these out of the way. Let's get spraying. I'm gonna spray both sides this time. Now we're gonna switch and go to red. Brand new. I'm gonna use. I was trying to find them fire truck red, but they don't have any. So I guess this will have to do. So lightly spray light coats, because if I don't, it's not gonna end up right. Not gonna lie, this is looking fantastic already. And go ahead and spray the back. And for the lines, all these, like the spider lines, like the black lines, I'm gonna get them with acrylics probably. I'm not gonna worry about doing it right now because obviously I'm spraying it red. So hopefully this thing will be super glossy. That's what I'm hoping for. So, and now I'm not gonna make this one glossy, but it says ultra matte. Matte's not gloss, so if it turns out glossy, I guess it turns out glossy. Golly, this is gonna look fantastic. I'm already excited for it. Alrighty, so I kinda got these glued together. Finally. It was a pain in the butt. Already, I had to sand this part to put them together, but I finally got them on. They look pretty good, honestly. You can see the little mistakes I made right there, but that's okay. Now I'm going to spray them down. Next I'm going to have to put some clear coat on them, so there's that. And also, the helmet got done drying. Finally. Now to put it together and see what it looks like. Well, the eyes in there first. So far this is what it looks like. As you can see, I tried to mark down with some marker. Did not work, so I'm gonna have to use acrylics to get the black lines in it. So that'll be next. Then I'm gonna have to find some magnets to put into these, which I have to find some. I have to find some on Amazon or something, order some, because I only have big enough magnets to go behind these. That's it. So I finally got the magnets on the eyes. ASMR. And I got the back of the helmet magnetized on too, even though it still don't fit me. I can't put it on. I'd say it looks pretty good. He's just rocking. I mean, even though it is a little flawed right there, because where I kind of messed up on certain parts, I absolutely love it. This would be good for display as well. But since I am happy with it, but it's not exactly how I pictured it. I went ahead and used my FDM printer and made this flawless. I absolutely love this thing, and I think it's better magnetized than the other one is. But she's a beaut right here. This one I can put on, but I can't. I still think my head's too big. So I'm gonna have to, in the future, try to upscale it. So I will be trying to put foam in this as well. But this one, I'm not gonna keep. I'm actually gonna give this to my little brother for his birthday, since technically this video should be posted on the day of Spider-Man Brand New Day, since this is a Brand New Day mask or helmet. And his birthday is on the same day, so that one will be going to him. Just look at how awesome they look together. One's dark and one's lighter. That's awesome. I'm in love with both of them. Honestly, just look magnificent. Not my best work, but So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like in the dark, since it is glow in the dark. I'm about to turn off the porch light and shine this into it. So I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, I'm not sure how well this shows up on the camera, but that's what it looks like glowing. I absolutely adore how that looks. Not a big fan of green, but it still looks so sick. Should have applied more glow in the dark powder on it, but that looks awesome. I love it.